kita perkenalan. Perkenalkan, nama saya Arsifa Zaman Nuraili dari Prodi Sistem Informasi dengan NIM 192 402 32. So, good morning student. Now this morning we will learn about the simple present tense. Okay. Before it, there is one keyword that we must remember when we speak or write. If there is to be present, there is not verb. Okay. Jadi kalau misalnya kita pakai to be, nggak ada kata kerja atau no verb. Okay. Subject to be present table. Look the table. If you use I, the to be present I am. If you use she, he, it, you use the to be present tense-nya is. If you use they, we, you use are. So the formula of the simple the present is subject, to be present, adjective, adverb, dan nouns. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian menggunakan I am, the to be present tense-nya adalah I am. Jika kalian menggunakan he, is, it, kalian menggunakan is. Kalau kalian pakai they, we, you, menggunakan are. You can look the example. I am here. She is herself. You are beautiful. They are safe. Okay, let's go to the negative tense. In negative tense, you only add not after to be present. Okay, to be present. Okay, let's go to example. Subject, present, not, adjective, adverb, and nouns. Okay, remember it. I'm not, is not, isn't, are not, aren't. Example, I'm not there, she is not self. Oke, jadi misalkan di negative sample ini kalian hanya menambahkan not di to be present. Oke. Jadi kepotong tadi miss ke kamar mandi dulu. Kita sampai mana tadi? Jadi ini I am not there, she is not safe. Now we learn about interrogative simple present tense. Interrogative sentence are easy. You just move the subject behind to be present. This is the formula, and here's an example. Nih. Jadi kita sekarang ada di interrogative simple present tense. Di interrogative ini kalian hanya memindahkan subjek dari yang sebelumnya ada di depan to be, yang sebelumnya ada di depan to be, sebentar. Ini depan to be. Jadi di belakang to be, oke. Jadi kalau di interrogative ini kalian hanya memindahkan to be dan subjek. Example, he is a teacher. Yes, he is. Or no, he is. Are you mad? Nah, ini kalian bisa baca sendiri. Nah, sekarang kita ada di Okay, sorry, tadi miss ke kamar mandi dulu. And now we go to the simple present tense verb not to be. You can see the the PowerPoint means the PowerPoint if the subject if you use the subject Dewi Ayu we use verb 1 plus object. Object. Terus kalau di sini Miss ada dua contoh yang bikin kalian bingung. Nih, ya sudah. Nah, ini bedanya apa sih, Miss? Ya kan? Miss, what is the difference between the right, left, and before and after? If you use subject Dewi Ayu, you can add anything to be verb, okay? And it has to be real verb. If you use he, is, it, you can use atau as. Kayak ini example-nya, he live in Jakarta, she likes bananas. Negative select banana, okay? Jadi di verbal simple present tense di sini kalian menggunakan verbal yang asli, tidak ditambahkan apapun, okay? Kayak go to school, they watch TV, we play basket, you write a letter. Nah, kalau kalian pakai he, she, it, kalian tambahkan she's, okay? Karena di ini kalian nggak pakai verb yang asli, okay? Ini contohnya, go, she goes to school. Watch, Kevin watches TV. Wash, Ray washes the dishes. Pass, Sandy passes the ball. Fix, Maxwell fixes the computer. Sorry. Now kita belajar negative sentence, verb not to be. You just add do not, doesn't, and doesn't not atau doesn't. Okay? You can look do not. Doesn't not. Ini aslinya doesn't ya, cuman Miss lupa ganti. Ini doesn't. Miss, what is difference? Apa bedanya, Miss? Okay. If you use Dewi Ayu, you can use do not or donut. Donut. Remember, do not untuk Dewi Ayu. Example, they do not have. Example-nya, they do not have any money. You don't listen to me. You don't cook every day. If you use he, it, you can use doesn't atau does not. Doesn't. You can see the example. Lala does not see Peter in the class. My best friend doesn't love you. Yesaya does not go to school. Okay. Well, if you sekarang kita ada di interrogative sentence, verb not to be. Okay. Well, if your subject is interrogative sentence, you just add do. If your subject is they, we, are, you in the form of subject, and add do in form of the subject. If your subject use she, it, you you can use does. Oke. Miss ulang pakai bahasa Indonesia, takut ada yang nggak ngerti. Tadi saya salah, Miss salah ini ya, sebentar, Miss ulang ya. Miss ulang, apa bener? Oke, bener. Maaf ya. Nah dulu, sabar. Oke. Kita mulai dari sebelum. Oke. Jadi di negative sentence ini kan negative sentence verb not to be. Jadi kata kerja tidak pakai to be. Di negative sentence kata kerja not to be, kalian hanya rumusnya adalah subject, do, not, verb 1. Oke. Remember, do not for they, we, I, you. Example, they do not have any money, you do not listen to me, I do not cooking every day. Remember. Nah, kalau yang ini subject, does not, verb. Ini does ya, does. Ini does. Ingat, does not untuk she, he, it. Okay. Ini contohnya, Lala doesn't see Peter in class. My best friend doesn't love you. Yesaya does not go to school. Nah, di interrogative sentence ini tadi ada Miss jelaskan ya. Kalian hanya memindahkan, ya kan? Kalau yang tadi kan gini. Yang tadi kan ini. Ada tambahan not, terus subjeknya di depan do kan. Nah, kalau di negative sentence kalian tidak menggunakan not, terus subjeknya dipindah jadi di setelah do, jadi kayak gini. Do you like chocolate? Do they talk a lot? Do we love flying kittens? Nah, kayak ini juga sama kayak yang sebelumnya. Bedanya cuma pakai do, dan does. Oke. Does he play tennis? Does he ride the motorcycles? Oke. Sekian dari pengajaran saya hari ini. Jika ada salah kata mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.